Midday check, July 22nd, 2026. Here's the question everyone's asking right now. Is this a bear trap or genuine selling pressure? The Fear and Greed Index is screaming fear at just 33 out of 100, and that's setting the tone for everything we're seeing in the next 3 hours. Let's talk macro first because it matters. The VIX dropped from 1865 to 17.05, which means volatility is cooling down slightly. That's a relief signal. The Fed funds rate is holding steady at 3.63%, so no surprises from the central bank today. But here's the thing. Even with lower volatility, we're seeing a very ugly sector rotation happening right now. The big board picture is deeply mixed at the midday check. The S&P 500 is barely holding gains up just 0.19%, or 14 points. The Dow Jones is outperforming with a 0.36% push to 52,411. But the real problem is the Russell 2000, which is fading hard down 0.63%. That's telling you something important. Large cap strength is masking small cap weakness. And then there's the Nasdaq sitting flat at plus 0.01%. Translation, tech is struggling to hold its morning gains. Here's where it gets interesting. NVDA is absolutely crushing it up 2.9% to $213, and this is AMD up 2.13% as well. Semiconductor strength is the only bright spot in tech right now. Netflix jumped 2.24%, and Johnson & Johnson surged 2.22%. Both are holding their gains, which means healthcare and streaming are the rotation beneficiaries today. But the losses tell a darker story. Salesforce is collapsing down 3.3% after reversing from earlier strength. That's a significant reversal signal. Meta is fading hard, down 2.33% to $628. Microsoft has reversed course, dropping 2.09% after what was probably an early morning spike. These are your mega cap leaders selling off, and that's dangerous. Apple is down 0.84%, Amazon down 1.44%. The tech darlings are not holding their opening positions. Now here's what the analyst community is telling us. They remain extremely bullish on Microsoft with 63 buys versus 0 sells. Same story with NVIDIA at 64 buy ratings. Amazon analysts are 70-0 bullish. But here's the reality check. The analysts are saying buy while the actual market is selling. That disconnect